here. It's starting to record the thing. This is where the project is. So what you guys need to go first is let's go to let's open up the website. Okay, we need to go to HTML5. Okay, so this file, this is going to help us convert it to an HTML file, right? So the first thing you guys go is you go to upload project file and do choose file. So that's the first step, and you select from your desktop or wherever you've saved it your random. So this is the file random item picker. We selected it. You can see here once I selected it, it came up here. It had the project ID. Okay, I scroll down. Okay, the second thing that I need to do, guys, is I need to check my width and height. Now, where do I get my width and height for your game? Please remember, go here and you can see your width and height is here always. See, the width is 375 and the height is 667. Okay, I need to put the same thing here. So I'll put my width as what? 375 and my height is 667. Okay, now once you've done that, you just guys need to go here to HTML5. Means I'm converting this my Scratch program into an HTML file. I click it and you can see here at the bottom it came random item. This all you need to do is once it comes here at the bottom is click it, and here's your game. Okay, you want you can play your game also, add. Okay, I can add anything like plate, just okay, I can add another thing, toy. Okay, and so it'll pick a, it's a random picker, right? See, it'll always pick a random thing out of it. Okay, whatever, that is for one end that you can always test your game at this point, is it working. Then all you do is you go to the black side here where I put my mouse and you right click. Now when you right click, you go right to the bottom. Yeah, you go to view page source. Now here when I click this, what am I going to get, guys? I'm going to get the HTML code of this project that we written. So you click it, it'll open up in a new tab. Okay, just give it a minute depending on the speed of your. Okay, now what you guys need to do is, now I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can see. Now I don't want you to remember the line number, I want you to remember the code. So you want to start with style media equals screen, which normally comes on line 7, but some students have told me they've got it on 8 or 9. So just remember, hold down your mouse and select from style media screen. Okay, so far I hope everyone's understanding. No question, anything? Anyone has any question? Yeah, okay. If anyone has a question, no, fine, I'm just going ahead. You go all the way down. Slowly scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. What am I doing is I'm copying the HTML version. Okay, the HTML code of this, and I'm going to then paste it somewhere. But first I need to copy it. Okay, I am going to copy till style, which is on line number 199. But for me, where it's important to stop is style just above head. Right click here on the blue part and do copy. Okay, so this is half the code, means the part of the code I've copied. Now where do I go? I will go to here. Okay, so I am just going to let me open up it again. This is the link, it's opening up. The link also you guys have, I'll share it with you guys if you want. Just give it a minute to open up. It takes a little time, don't forget. Yeah, here you, if you have not signed in on this end, yes, you can see I've signed in your account. You guys got to go and sign in, and once you sign in, normally you will get a 1 minute. You will get a remix to edit. If it's not opening, I'll go open it up again. Just give it a minute. It's a little slow. My computer, it's hung for a minute. It's probably loading the, yep. Oh, this is the last one. No. So let's come out of this. No, this is the last, my last game. So I'm just going back. This is the website, pwa.tem. Okay, in that video that I'll share now, I'll give you all the links also, guys. Okay, yeah, this is the link here. So you got to sign in here. You can see remix to edit. Just click on this, and you can click got it. Okay, because then it'll let you edit it. Okay, right? Why is this not happening? Just give it a minute. Okay, now there are only 2-3 things we have to do in this. It's quite easily. One is where you have to paste it, yeah, and where I have to put the logo and my name of my project. Okay, now the first thing is, where do I paste it? So I'm going to zoom in. So you can see this line number 26. Okay, so below this line number 27, where is written title, your project name title, just take your mouse here, right click here and do paste. You can see the whole code is pasted. Okay, you can see that. See, remember we had copied from style media screen. Yeah, aa gaya, line number 27. Now the next thing you do is give your name a project, project a name. So what is the project name, Nikhil? What did we call this one?
Random item picker.
So I'm just going to call it random item. Is that okay? Random item.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can see between the two titles. So far, any question, guys? Anyone having any question?
No, sir.
No, Siddhant, Veer, Arman?
No.
Veer, Arman, I can't hear you guys.
None, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now this
No,
part.
sir.
Now this part is done. Now what do I need to go to? Now there are two things I need to do. I need to put an asset. Asset means I need to put my logo, and I have to insert my logo then. So after this, what do you guys go? Go to asset, the first one here. Click on this. Okay, and you will get an option of upload an asset. Okay, now you can upload an asset. When you click, your desktop will open up. Now you can just take any logo from the internet. Take a PNG if possible. You can see I've just downloaded a random logo from the internet. It's logo.png, and you click open. It'll come here now. Okay, give it a second. Yeah, you can see I uploaded. There's a logo that from the internet I've taken. Click on it. Okay, there are only two important things I have to see in this. One is this copy button. You need to copy this link. So just directly click copy. It's been copied, and you got to remember the size. See, each one will have a different. Mine is 800 by 600. Okay, that's all I have to remember, 800 by 600, and I'll click outside it, and I'm done with this part. Okay, now I have to do two things. I have to paste the logo somewhere. In two places I have to paste the URL. So first let me show you the first place I need to show. So go to that index.html. Okay. Okay. And if you see on line number 9, this one, link, this shortcut, I can upload logo in the assets and put link here. So what are we going to do? We got to upload the logo in the assets and put the link here. So that link that we copied, no, I'm just going to do backspace here. Okay, just delete it. You can select and delete however you're comfortable. You can see whenever you see this red dot means there is a mistake. Obviously right now I've deleted, so there's a mistake. Don't worry. So you do right click and you do paste. See that red dot went away. The error message has gone away because, and here I have pasted my URL. So the computer knows where it has to go pick up the logo. So that's number one. The one space. That's done. Index.html is done for the time being. Now you go to manifest, this one. Okay, manifest. Okay. Now what do we have to do? We have to replace some things here. Okay, so just go step by step, replace with your project name. So I'm going to, I think we had called it random item. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
the second one is the short name on what you will see the on your mobile, how it will look. Again, I'll put random item. Here you can just put a description. It doesn't matter exactly. You can just put whatever description you want. You can. I'm just writing mobile game. Okay. Now this part is important. You guys remember? It's 228 by 228. You will get this. I'll put your backspace. What was mine? 800 by
800 by 600.
600. Okay, why I told you to select a PNG, because sometimes it gives the error. You can see the type image is PNG here. Okay, and the last thing that you need to do is again replace this with your logo URL. Remember we had copied the URL, delete it and paste. So far simple. I have finished half the most of it I have done. Anyone has any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No?
Okay.
Simple so far. So these were the steps. Now you remember we will go back where to the HTML. Yeah. Remember we had copied the HTML, but obviously we had only copied from line number I think 7 to 199, right? We had only copied
Yes.
part of it.
Yes.
Now I'm going to take the rest of this and put it in that to convert it. So, okay, take from this body class loading. Can you see 201? This one is important.
Yes.
Body class loading. I'm going to start from here, and again I am just going to go all the way down, okay, to the end. It's almost till some 999 or something. I'll go down slowly, just go down slowly. Okay, keep your mouse held.
3.
Sorry.
Mine comes 103.
Okay, wherever, that's what I'm saying. Don't remember your line number, right?
Almost right.
Remember the code. It's very important that you guys don't remember the line number, but you remember the code, because it'll keep changing. When you try it, maybe your line number will be different. Okay, so just keep scrolling down. Let me see till where. It's almost till the end. Yeah. Copy till script body. Okay, 1003. So copy till body. Don't copy HTML. And again, do what? Your right click. But when I right click, you guys can see it will take a little time, because I'm going to copy so much. So your computer may take time. So don't keep right clicking. Just have a little patience and do copy. Okay, इतना मैंने copy कर लिया. I've finished all my copying. Now I just have to go and paste it, and it is done. Okay, simple. Now the last step is go back here. Go back to this which index.html. This is where click this. Okay, and go right to the bottom. Yeah. Okay. I'll just first zoom in. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. Okay, so I'm on this end of my code. I've gone to the end. Now you remember that we had, let me just show you again. We had copied from, we have copied till body here. Can you see 1003 body?
Yes.
Okay, and here also there's a body. So if you want, you can delete this one. I don't need two body. Okay, and
Or we can copy till
wherever, yeah, or you can copy one line before. And again, what you can do, I'll just show you on the top also, so that you guys understand why I'm doing that. I'll go quickly to the top. Body, we have started from body class loading, right? So this is where we started from. So you can go back here to the here and delete this also, body class loading, because we don't want it twice. We already copied it. So I want only on up, head and bottom HTML, and all you do is right click here and paste. After you paste, just give it a minute. Depending on your computer speed, it'll paste all of it. So you can see it happening that it is taking time for maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds, because it has to paste about 700 lines. Right guys, simple. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yep. Now we are done. We've copied all our code. We put in our logo. We copied our assets. We copied our manifest. Now what do I need to do? The last bit. I need to go. You can see the show button on top. Preview your app.
Yes.
Before I actually check it on my mobile, I will check it on my laptop itself, that does it work. So I'll click this down. Okay, and I'll click on next to the code. Okay, so it'll open up in a new tab. I don't want it. Sorry. I will click in a new window. My bad. In a new window, not next to code, because I want to just see it in a new window. Let's check it out. Okay. So let's click. Yeah, looks fine so far. The game. See, I'm testing it out here. I'll put here Lego. Iron Man, yeah, looks fine. Thor, whatever you guys want to do. Okay, I'm adding and I get to see. Yeah, look, so far it works here. Now the last thing you need to do is click on this and right click on. Okay, have a little. I'm copying this link. Okay, and I am going to go and just share it with myself. Okay, I'm on Google WhatsApp and I'm sharing it. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to log in from my mobile and just show you guys how it look and how you convert it finally into your app. Okay, so let's go back to Google Meet. I'm going back to Google Meet. Yeah, you can see my name is come. This is me requesting. Okay, now I will stop presenting on my laptop and I am going to present from my mobile, so you guys can see what happens on my mobile, and I'm doing it next to you also, so we'll come to know if it actually works on the mobile, right? So this is my mobile, you guys can see, right guys? Everyone can see my mobile?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Veer, Arman, Siddhant, you guys can see my mobile?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now what I'm doing, I am going to my WhatsApp. Where is my WhatsApp? Yeah, and you can see that I had shared it here. The last one is sky.early. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the last one. Let's click it. Yep, there. Can all of you see it? Now,
Yes.
now I'm going to try
Yes.
it. I'm going to do add. Okay, I'm going to add an item. Let's see if it works here now. Lego. Okay, you guys can see Lego came on the top. I'm going to now try like adding a robot, just random thing. Yeah, you can see robot came on the top here, guys. Now let's do pick, and you guys can see randomly picking. Okay, and on the top right there is also a full screen button. If you guys can see right on the top, I'll try clicking it to show you.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a full screen button, so it comes in full screen. Okay, and the last thing you can see the three dots next to the number 8. There are three dots.
Yes.
You just click on those three dots. You will open this and you can see add to home screen. All of you can see that it's below translate, share,
Yes.
find and paint, translate, add to home screen. Okay, I'm clicking this. It'll come random item and I'll do add. And what will I do? I'll say add automatically. Okay, and okay, there it is. You can see it next to Twitter. For some reason the logo is not come, but maybe that's okay. But at least your game's here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so